If you're choosing between Chatwoot and Kommo, this isn't just support tool versus CRM. It's open source control versus sales-driven automation. So which platform actually supports your business better? Let's break it down. Chatwoot is built as a customer support and messaging platform. It gives you a shared inbox across channels like WhatsApp, email, and social media, with the option to self-host for full data control and zero software cost. But here's the catch. It's more basic. Automation, analytics, and integrations are limited compared to commercial tools, and you'll need technical skills to unlock its full power. Kommo takes a completely different approach. It's a CRM built around messaging, where every conversation is tied to a lead and sales pipeline. So chats directly drive revenue. It shines in WhatsApp-based sales with automation, salesbot, pipelines, and lead tracking all in one system. The downside is cost and scalability. Pricing grows per user, and extra fees like WhatsApp API and add-ons can stack up quickly. So the real difference is this. Chatwoot helps you manage conversations, while Kommo helps you turn conversations into sales. So which platform supports your business better? Choose Chatwoot if you want full control, low cost, and a support-first system, especially if you have technical resources. Choose Kommo if you want sales automation, pipelines, and a system built to close deals through messaging. Bottom line, Kommo is better for growing revenue, while Chatwoot is better for owning your support system. For most businesses focused on marketing and sales, Kommo is the more practical choice. But if cost, control, and flexibility matter more, Chatwoot could be the smarter long-term platform. Do 4. Chatwoot versus Evolution API. Which one is better? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.